say you have a property you want to get the information on, you can type in the address and it'll give you all the attributes that you usually get, rooms, type of property, whatever. It'll also give you the contact information, so phone numbers, emails, and the probability that is associated with that being accurate. So if it's a phone number that's been active in the last week or so, you'll have a high score. If it isn't, you'll get a lower score. We also have an advanced search option. So say you're like, I want to create a list for whatever reason of people to contact, and I want it to be this type of property, say multifamily in this zip code or whatever. It'll spit out a list. So like for instance, we just spit out a list that was like 1 million properties. And so you can get literally a list of contact information for all those. Say you already have a list in Excel, you can upload that as a bulk option and get the results for all that as well. So, whether you're an investor, whether you're someone trying to make some deals, whether you're trying to sell services,